Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel TechUp. In this video, we will learn on how to log into your Bright Horizons employee account. So let's get started. First, open any browser of your choice. Then in the search bar, type in Bright Horizons Employee Login. Then hit enter. Then tap on the website having URL as brightweb.brighthorizons.com. In my case, it's the first one, so tap on it. And here you need to provide your login credentials to log into your employee account. So type your employee ID in the text field given for it. Then type a password in the text field given for your password. Now to log into your account, all you gotta do is tap on the sign in button and you will be successfully logged into your account if you got your credentials correct. And guys, that was it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, consider liking this video and subscribe to our channel TechUp for more contents like this. Feel free to drop any of your queries in the comment section below. I'll get right back to you.